Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to teach you about two important functions of PHP. So without any delay, let's start. The first is include or include once, and the second is require and require once. Basically these are four functions and we will learn about them. In the previous videos, you know that we face a little bit problem that we need to copy and paste this code in each file of our project in which we require a database connection. Suppose if we require a database connection in insert.php, we have copy and paste this code here. If we require that database connection in show-data.php, we also copy and paste this code here. But there is a problem. Suppose when you upload your project on your live server, you will have different username and different password. Will you like to update your user and password in 100 place or in 100 files if you use this database connection in those 100 files? Obviously you will say that no. So we have a solution for this problem, that we will only use or write this code at one file and we can include this code inside our other files. So what will happen if we will try to change anything from this data, because this code will be executed, will be included in our all files. That's why our that operation will automatically executed. So let me show you through practical. First of all, what I will do, let me create another folder here, not inside uploads. Let me delete this from here and I will create a folder like outside, like tb. Inside this folder I will create a file like tb.php. So we have create a folder and create a file here, and what I will do, I will simply copy my this database connection from here. Suppose we want to use this connection only in show-data.php. What I will do, I will cut this from here, paste that code inside my db.php file, and here we have to do one thing. I will use a PHP function include. You can type here single quotes or double quotes. Here I will type db hyphen db.php, and here I will need to press semicolon. Let me execute this file show-data.php. So I will open the server, and here what I will do, I will type here db show-data.php. so you can see that our code is working like a charm. If I will comment this line, you will see an error that undefined variable. So basically we have included the code that we write at this position inside our show-data.php. And similarly you can use require function for this. Still your code will be executed, but the question is, what is the difference? If both functions are working like the same, that what is the difference between them? Let me show you. Actually the difference is, suppose if I type here include, and suppose I'm going to type here a file that is not exist in our db folder. I will type here database, and we know that database.php is not exist inside our db.php folder. So what will happen, you can see that it will display us an error, but remaining code will be executed. But what if I use require? You can see that a fatal error is shown to me, and remaining part is also not executed. You can see the error, no such file or directory. We are seeing this error, and the remaining code is also not executed. So include means that if you find this file, just include and execute remaining part of our script. And require means that must find and include that specific file that I am asking for, and if you are unable to find that file, don't execute the remaining part and show a fatal error to our user. Similarly we have let me type here one more thing. I will try to do here a simple thing, like I will simply type here echo my code. Simply I will press here semicolon. What I will do here, I will simply type here db hyphen db.php, and I will type here 2 times. Let me refresh. One thing more, I will type here br tag. So you can see that this echo is executed 2 times. We have right here 1 times because we have included that code here 2 times. That's why my code is printing 2 times. But what if I type here include once or include once? So you can see that my code is printed only one times. The difference between include and include once is, if you will type here include once two times, still it will only include our that specific file only one times. It will check either this file is already included in our script or not. If that file will be already included, then it will not include that file again. But include and require, these both functions, as many time as you include them in your script, then your that specific code or that specific file will be included in your code again and again and again. So friends, that was the difference between them. I hope you must enjoy this concept, and when you will build your PHP applications, you will write this, you will use these functions again and again in your projects, because it allows us so we can avoid from repetition of our codes. Hit the like button if video was helpful, and please share this video with your those friends who want to learn website development. And finally, thanks for watching.